like Rs7 modules, and I'm based in Pune location. So can you guys introduce yourself also?
Hi, Soro. I'm audible.
Hi Ashish. Yes Ashish.
Okay.
Go ahead.
My name is Ashish. I'm basically from a sales background. Okay, I have more than actually 2+ year experience in sales domain, and my qualification are actually diploma in engineering from electric and telecommunication. And after that, actually, I did
Mhm.
a small tech job, and then later I interested in sales. So that's why actually means completed my MBA from sales and operation logistic. And that time actually I
So
got a campus selection for FMCG company. Yes, Saurabh.
so are you familiar with SAP product? Are you working in
Yes,
SAP
yes.
SD module?
Actually, I am means aspirant for a SD module. Okay, a little bit basic means knowledge about SD.
Mhm. Okay, good. Nice to uh,
Yes, thanks, Saurabh.
catch.
Same. Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
next.
hi Sharup.
Hi
My name
Rahul.
is Rahul. Uh, is I am from Bokaro, sorry, Jharkhand, and currently I'm looking for a job. So I'm
Okay,
not working. Yeah, completed my BTech, and I have 1.1 year experience in IT industry.
okay.
Yeah,
As a programmer or what?
as a developer. Yeah, programmer.
Okay, okay, good.
Hello, Swaroop. Chaitali here.
Hi, hi Chaitali.
Actually, I'm currently working in Tata Communication Limited, but not in a developer. Service now tools we use now,
Mm-hmm. Okay,
like in that customer base. I've done my B in computer engineering. That's all, and I have
okay,
2+ years of experience, but not in SAP.
okay. Thank you. Who's next?
Yeah, hi Swarup, I'm Mukul. I'm from Nasik and I have around 2 years of experience in software engineering. So I was a full stack developer, but later I'm now trying to switch into SAP.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Mukul. Next. I think only 50% have introduced. Why to hesitate for introduction, guys? Prashant, Ruchika.
So shall we start the topic if no one is interested to introduce themselves?
Because I just want to know the background of the candidates. That's why I'm asking.
They are not speaking fast, also that's why.
Okay, no worries. So first of all, don't call it a SAP. Okay, it's a SAP. Okay, guys. So SAP is a German product, and in Germany, SAP means they call
So,
peak. Okay, SAP means peak. Yeah. So call it SAP. Okay. So if you are going into the IT industry and you called as a SAP, they will ask you what is SAP. So always talk SAP, not SAP. Okay. Thank you. So we will start with our session first. Just let me know if you guys can see my screen. Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, visible.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So first part, we will discuss about the introduction part of the ERP and the SAP. Okay, it's just for the information. Okay, because we are learning the ABAP technology. So just for if anyone asks you about the overview of ERP and SAP, then you just have to know about it. So what is ERP? Any one of you working in ERP software at the moment? No. Okay. So what is ERP? So ERP is nothing but that enterprise resource planning. Okay. So what happened when in any business when there is no ERP system, that business is like uh, there is no process implemented in such a way that to deliver all the deliveries in a timeline and with the quality product, and there is no track of the uh, any like account payment system and account receivable that does not have. So if you guys implement, means if you implement the ERP system, so in that business, okay, everything like the module which they have in the ERP system, like manufacturing, supply chain management, human resource, finance, service, SD module, then material management, logistic, everything, it is in these all modules are in one product. Okay, so that entire business is running in one product which are connected to each others. So benefits of ERP is what, like efficiency. So ERP automates the business process as we discussed right now, that to reduce the unnecessary repetition and increase efficiency and reporting purpose. So in ERP, so mostly there are many types of ERP system in the market, and like local ERP systems, then Oracle ERP, SAP ERP, JD Edwards, BAN, many types of ERP systems are available in the market. So, and every ERP system is having their own functionality to customize, to create um, customization as per the business perspective, then reporting, reporting. Apart from this, there are interfaces between the system to system to to uh, to simplify the process of the customer and the vendors and the business. So there are multiple benefits of implementing ARP. So these are the some points of the benefits of the ERP system. Supply chain management is also one of the module in ERP systems. So through which ERP can help business manage to supply chain processes, including procurement and even with inventory management. And then data security. ERP can help business improve data security and cloud security. Then visibility, ERP can help business increase visibility and control, make better forecast. So guys, you might be aware about the IBP. IBP is one of the module which is used for the uh, forecasting and demanding. So it is also one of the ERP system. We can say as a satellite system. Uh, we are having this module in SAP also. So we have to integrate with this through ECC. So these are the some satellite system through which the the efficiency of the business is increasing. Okay. So next, the ERP examples in different industries. So mostly the ERP system is used in the manufacturing industry. Then later utilities in the form of like energy, gas, energies, industries. Then wholesalers like Flipkart. then Walmart. This kind of business is also using SAP in the background. Service companies, uh, if you guys know or not, I don't know that uh, the IRCTC are also using the SAP in the background. Then the passport office also using SAP in the background, and retail business is also using. So these are uh, the examples of the different industries where ERP is used. So SAP is the full form of SAP is SAP System Application and Products in Data Processing. It is founded in 1972. SAP is both the name of the company as well as their ERP products. So it is a German product, as I said. This is not SAP, it is SAP. And it has a three-layer architecture. So at the moment, we are working on R3 systems. It has R3. Previously, when it is introduced, it was firstly in R1, then R2, then R3. The first generation was R1 when R1 means the database application and the presentation layer. It was combined in one layer. Similarly, later the R2 system, that means the application layer and the presentation layer is in combined in one layer, and the database layer is different. And nowadays we are using R3 system. So R3 system is divided into three separate layer: presentation layer, then application, then database. So you guys can see on the screen that presentation layer, it has means n number of clients, and then it is connected to application servers of the SAP, where we are writing our logic of the ABAP, and then it goes to a database system to retrieve the data or to store the data. Okay, so here in the between this application layer and database layer, we have uh, compilers, and we can say as adapters that compile the application data or application uh, calls to the database. So we are using OpenSQL for the SAP. We are not using the native SQL. So this is the we can say a feature of SAP, that you can write the SQL queries in OpenSQL, and that goes into the database. It interprets into the native database language. So we are using means don't bother about the database, which database is in the background, whether could be Oracle, whether it could be SQL Server, or maybe HANA database. But nowadays uh, we are using mostly the HANA database, but today we are talking about SQL Server and Oracle. So don't bother about which database is in the background. So we are writing the SQL queries, open SQL queries in the ABAP, and it interprets into the native language. So this is the feature, means what happen in future if suppose the business want to change the database server from Oracle to SQL Server. So in that case, we don't need to change our syntax in a program. This is the feature. So the presentation server would be GUI, SAP GUI, our workstations, sending request to application server, then screen from the application server and displays the database server. As we discussed, interface between application server and RDBMS. There is adapters and compilers, and also holds the vendor specific database drivers. So this part, the installation part and the database part, is handled by the SAP basis consultants. So we don't have to bother about it. The landscape of client. So in SAP system, we have clients, and these are the landscapes. So generally in the industry, if you can see, there are development, quality system, and production. These are the landscape we are using. So development generally have a client. Suppose there is a
So
100 client. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, as you told adapter, what do you mean by adapter?
So adapter is a kind of engines that interprets the OpenSQL language into the native language.
Okay. Using for conversion.
Yeah, yeah. It is just interpreting the your SQL query languages.
Okay.
Yeah. Because database can understand the native language, native SQL query, and we are writing open SQL query. So we were talking about the clients. So development client is having just for development, there is a client. We have to write only coding part, just development. Then in that we are having another test client in the development system. That means that test client is having some data for initial level testing. And there is also having a sandbox. So sandbox is similar as a test client in which we are having a data which is means we have taken the backup of the production or quality system into the sandbox for integration testing. So these are the uh, clients of the development system. Next is quality system. Quality system is having just we are using it for the training purpose and the testing purpose, next level testing. So once you tested into the development system for further testing, the functional consultant and the users, key users, they are using quality system. They don't have access to the development system. They have access to only quality system and production systems. So for developer, we have one test in development system, and for functional consultants and users, there is a quality system for testing and for training purpose. And the next environment is production. So it is for the live server, live system. So these are the landscape of the SAP system. Generally, the approach is like as a developer, we are creating the program in development system. Then we are testing